Welcome to part 6 of our quick start tutorial on TextBlob. So in this video we are going to talk about tokenization, and I have a few information on tokenization. It's an act of breaking up a sequence of strings into pieces such as words or sentences called tokens. So tokens can be individual in terms of words, phrases, or even whole sentences. In the process of tokenization, some punctuation marks like the ones given here are always discarded from the text. So when you are going to tokenize the text that we will define, you'll find that the punctuation marks found in our text are going to be removed. So in this part of the video, we are going to see on how to tokenize the text or the text blob into words and sentences using Python text blob. So this is the text we are going to use on our tokenization. So we are going to tokenize the text to get the words on the sentences from this text. So let's get started. So we define the text, then we create the text blob of the text. After creating the text blob, then we're going to tokenize the text we created above. So it's just simple words is equals to blob dot words. So this is now the difference I was telling you on the first video, on the part 2 video of our text blob, that now this is the difference between now the Python strings and the text blob, because you can't just use the property words on the Python strings, but now the text blob have an API that provides more advanced properties or things of the powers to work on the text blob more powerful than the Python strings. So, but they share some similarities. So that's how you get the words. You can print words. Let's see. Let's print the words from our text blob. Words are like tokens, so they will be passed into a list. So they are referred to as tokens. So these are the words, each and every words that is on our text blob. Let's compare this one. Like you can see, the and the left are the first and the last words on our text. This one, there and left. So each and every word is taken as a single string and stored in a list. So then we can get the sentences found in our. Let's print the sentences in our text blob. So blob dot send sentences. So print sentences. Let's see the sentences in our text blob. So let's run our program. So I'm going to print sent, not sentences. Sorry. As you can see, we have one sentence in our text blob, because you can see on the list the ordinary past sentence we have two, not once only. This one, it's here. Then we have the other one. So we have two sentences on our text blob. Sentences are always separated because of the full stop. Where the full stop is the head of a sentence. So according to the text we defined, you can see from there, the first full stop you can see is there, or the period you can see it's at the head of the contact. So this is the first sentence. Then the second sentence starts here and it's where we get the period. Yeah. So we have two sentences on our text blob, and that's how to tokenize the text blob to get the words and the sentences. And that's all for the part 6 of our video. Thank you.